It's not the first time the Utah Legislature has acted to help out the statewide housing market. Senate Bill 240 is intended to help jumpstart the housing market again by making $50 million available in loans up to $20,000 to those who qualify.
Displaced homemaker is considered. Single parent is considered a first-time home buyer, and somebody who hasn't obviously owned a home in the last 3 years.
The Utah Housing Corporation will oversee the new First-Time Home Buyers program and sees this as a one-of-a-kind opportunity.
The challenge that we've got is we've got a current affordability crisis. That affordability crisis has to do with people's incomes, and it also has to do with the payments that are required and the interest rates being high. It's just really out of hand. And so we at Utah Housing have really lobbied a lot to try to work with lender partners to come out with this product.
Realtors, builders, and mortgage lenders were informed on the product and the application process, which many believe will create more opportunities for lower to moderate income Utah residents.
Setting a limit of $450,000 on a newly constructed home, this will be for, and a first-time home buyer, this will help first-time home buyers. It will encourage builders to build homes at that 450 below, and it will help more home buyers purchase a home.
A loan calculator on the Utah Housing Corp website shows the interest rates depending upon the applicant's qualifications. The loans up to $20,000 each can be used in various ways.
Down payment and closing costs, and buy down the interest rate, and pay off a mortgage, upfront mortgage insurance. They do have to qualify for a Utah housing loan and use the loan program. But there are a lot of approved participating lenders that are out there.
The buyers must also meet the income qualification as well as the credit score.
And our credit scores for 620 to 6, I mean, there's a break in credit score, but the higher your credit score, the lower the rate is.
First-time home buyers must also have lived in Utah at least a year before closing, and the home has to be owner-occupied.
Could not do Airbnb, cannot do a rental, not even if it's a long-term rental. It's owner-occupied. Can't be a second home. It's owner-occupied. A newly constructed home doesn't mean it's under construction. It could be that it has been sitting there for a while as a stick-built home or a spec home, and they can purchase that as long as it hasn't been inhabited.
We estimate that 2,500 home buyers will benefit from this program, and if it goes very well, the legislature does want to talk about continuing the program. But initially, this first $50 million is going to be outstanding because we estimate it should help about 2,500 home buyers.
But once the money is spoken for, it won't return until those purchasers sell their homes and pay the money back, similar to a second mortgage.
It's a lien, and it is there and it is recorded at closing. The home buyers will sign a note and a deed for the amount that we wire out, and it will have no interest and no payment until it sells or refinances.
The program is expected to be filled in about 2 years. While the bill takes effect July 1st, Spilker says Utah Housing won't begin taking in applications until July 10th. However, those in the market for their first home should be prepared and know the rules.
At the end, it won't be a first come, first serve. It will be wait list, answer yes, reserved. Answer no, we'll go to the next one.
Realtors are excited about the new loan program as it will allow many first-time buyers to qualify who maybe couldn't before.
For a lot of people, $20,000 is not a lot of money, but for some people, $20,000 will make or break them being able to purchase a home through this program. So having that $20,000 is so beneficial, and it really can benefit these buyers in a way that allows them to purchase a home and remove some of that financial stress.
In St. George, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.